In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SiteGround Migrator to transfer your website to SiteGround. So listen carefully as I explain the step because I can't create an account due to restrictions, but don't worry, I'll explain each step so you can follow along easily. So first, make sure you are on the official website of SiteGround, and then on the upper right corner, you will see here the login button. Click on that and then enter your username or email and then click next in order to redirect to the SiteGround dashboard. So once everything is set up, or assumingly we have an access to the SiteGround dashboard, now if you're migrating a WordPress website, log into your WordPress admin panel. You can go to the plugins and then add new and search for the SiteGround Migrator. But in order to add the plugins in there, you'll need to have a plan or purchase a plan in WordPress. So click install now, assumingly we purchase a plan in WordPress, and then activate the plugin. Now in the SiteGround, go back to your SiteGround dashboard, navigate to Site Tools, and then click to WordPress, and then click the Migrator, and then select the domain where you want to migrate your site, and then click the Generate Token. Copy this migration token, so you'll need it in the next step. And then after that, return to your WordPress dashboard and open the SiteGround Migrator plugin, and then paste the migration token you copied earlier. Click Initiate Transfer, and then the migration process will begin. So once completed, SiteGround will send you an email confirmation, and then go to your SiteGround account and verify that the website is now listed under the websites. And click Manage Site to check if everything transferred correctly. If needed, update your domain's DNS settings to point to the SiteGround. And that's it. That's how you use the SiteGround Migrator. It's an easy way to transfer your website without any technical hassles. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.